Welcome to Unit 1.8 practice sheet. Hopefully you've already worked all the odd numbers and you're just here to check if you're right. I'm watching you. Alright, translate each expression. We're looking for keywords, key phrases. The sum of a number and 4. So addition between n and 4. You'll notice that if I have the option, I will always put the variable first and the constant last, because that's how mathematicians do it. And if you do it like they do it, that makes you a mathematician. Actually, if you're thinking about math for any reason whatsoever, you're technically a mathematician. The product, multiplication, of a number and 5, we're multiplying, so 5n. A number squared increased by 1. So a number squared increased by 1. Don't make it harder than it has to be, y'all. Look, do not solve. Translate, but don't solve. I don't want you to solve it. No, that's too much work and you're not ready for that. Let's be honest, 14 of you are ready for that. The rest of you are not ready for that. Take your time. Do what it says. All right? Translate each equation. That means it's going to have an equal sign. The clue is in the directions. Twice a number divided by 6 is 42. Twice a number divided by 6 is 42. Bam! Translated. I know, mind blowing. I got you. 4 times the difference of, this is your turnaround phrase, be careful. 4 times the difference of a number and 7 is 32. Difference is subtraction, so you're going to do n minus 7, and you're going to put that in parentheses. That's your turnaround, your times the difference of, I called it a turnaround phrase. I'm sorry, that's your parentheses phrase. That means it has to be in parentheses so that you'll do this first. 4 times the difference of a number and 7 is 32. Bam. No?
Are you sure?
Yeah. Still no? Yeah, I'm right.
Okay.
The things we learn. You still doubt, don't you? 10 increased by the quotient of a number and 2 is negative 15. 10 increased by the quotient, meaning division, is negative 15. All right. Let's go to inequalities. Inequality is your key term. It's going to tell you it's not going to have a regular equal sign. It's either going to be greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. It has to be one of the 4 inequality symbols. Let's go ahead and put them up here just so we can remember. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. This one looks like an emoji. A number is less than 15. A number is less than 15. A number that is at least 90. That means it could be 90 or higher. So it's greater than or equal to 90. A number that is no more than 20. That means it could be 20 or less. A number that is less than or equal to 20. A minimum number of 10. Minimum means it has to be 10 or higher. Right? A number that is greater than or equal to 10. Again, because this is the inequalities, I'm going to do the even ones too. I just want you to have a clear understanding of what we're doing here. A number greater than or equal to -3. Literally, this one gives you the answer. Greater than or equal to -3. It just wants to make sure you understand which symbol is the greater than symbol. A speed limit of 65. So 65 or less than or equal to 65. A maximum number of 50. So it can't be higher than 50. So a number less than or equal to 50. A number no less than 25, meaning it could be 25 or higher. Right? A number that has to be greater than or equal to 25. It can't be less than, so it can be equal to or greater. Good? Remember, quizzes, quick check, it's just for you. Do it as many times as you need to. There's like 30 questions in there. You only have to take 5. It's just to see if you're ready. You could keep doing it again and again until you are ready. And then you bring your practice sheet up, get your mastery check, take your mastery check on the side tables, staple them together and turn them in. Don't wait for me. After you turn it in, go to the next unit.